Hello guys, I'm just gonna stream a bit to show you because I received a new telescope last last yesterday and I have been testing it this night. It's pretty good, works pretty cool. But the stars aren't perfect because I don't have a coma character, which it's on the way at the moment. So until that happens, we can use it as is without a coma character, which means the edges will be a bit distorted, but other than that, it's good. I actually captured the Triangulum galaxy before this. I did about 4 hours. I will show you the result. This was roughly the result. With this was about 3 hours and 4 hours because I processed it before. Uh, which it's pretty good, but the stars could be better, obviously, because of the Gomu character. It needs to be corrected. I'm using the 705C, the 585 sensor to keep because without a combo character, you need to use a small sensor, otherwise would be too much distortions. Hello, Jambert. It's almost done here. Hello, like in 45 minutes time, it will be oh, the sun will come up. Will start to come up. Yeah, it's pretty good. I love the nebulosity you can see here next to the star. It's pretty cool, this one. As you can see, the distortions in this is a fast newtonian, so it will be very susceptible to coma, which I bought actually a 200 euros coma character, so I didn't buy a cheap one, which I figured I bought a pretty good telescope. I should buy a pretty good coma character to go with it. But I bought it after, so it's still on the way. This triangle galaxy is pretty cool. You can see nebulae inside inside the galaxy. These pink spots are nebulae. Hello, Cosmic. I'm from Malta. These are the Pleiades, pretty famous star cluster. It's a GSO 4.5-inch Newtonian astrograph. I absolutely love the spikes. I like this stars with spikes. They're my favorite. And four spikes are my favorite as well. Because my virtuoso produces six, which some people think it's kind of cool, like it's like James Webb, but to me, four spikes is better. No, this is live stacking. It's taking 30-second exposures and stacking them. It's a GSO 4.5 inch newtonian with a 585 sensor camera, SV705C from Sviboni. It's basically a planetary camera. No, I'm just gonna image this one, the Pleiades, because the sun is soon coming up here in like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, because it's 5:15 in the morning. Depends. Sharpcap has live stacking, Nina doesn't. But Nina I think has more features than Sharpcap. But as far as ease of use, I think Sharpcap is better. Sharpcap is easier to use, in my opinion. It isn't that Nina is difficult, but if you compare them, I believe Sharpcap is easier. I actually haven't slept all night. I have been awake all night, imaging, but totally worth it. As you can see, at the corners, the stars are like comets. This is coma. It will be fixed with the coma corrector. This is totally normal when imaging with a fast Newtonian without a coma corrector. Especially the small of a mirror, 4.5 inch, it will be more susceptible to these operations. But man, Newtonian, like you don't have any chromatic aberrations. That's why I love Newtonians, and the star spikes they produce is awesome. I prefer a Newtonian over a refractor. Always have and always will. Cyril, by the way, the processing software. I'm just gonna check what this does it look like when I extract the background, because as you can see, it's very purplish at the moment. You see how much different it looks when you extract the background. All the nebulosity comes out. You can't really see it well here. You can't see it, but not this well. Here it becomes more visible. And since this telescope is fast, at 30 seconds, it's collecting enough light to create a good histogram on sharp. But that is without filters. With filters, it will be a different story. With filters, you have to expose more, at least a minute. I would guess. But so far, I really like this new telescope I bought. The tube is very solid. The focuser is very strong. It's made for stuff like this, and it's also small, which is a good thing. Like easy to balance, not that susceptible to wind gusts. It has its advantages, but it also has disadvantages being small, obviously. The mount is dithering at the moment. It's moving slightly to different spots, so it will avoid walking noise, which is horrible. If you get walking noise, you're screwed. Basically, it will be like loads of streaks going across your image. So cool staying up this late at night, but you hear nothing, just a peaceful night. It's the best feeling in the world. If you're an astrophotographer, you know what I'm saying. When you stay awake all night, imaging, nobody disturbs you, just quiet during the night. Not that like everyday life struggles. It's much very nice experience. Imaging is nice, but like experiencing the night as well is a part of the journey, in my opinion. Especially the winter nights, like that cold. Here doesn't get that cold, so it's not a big of an issue. But the sky will be super clear when it's clear. I am fortunate enough that I have a lot of clear skies, unlike many people. If I didn't, I wouldn't have started this channel. Seven Sisters. Actually, all the Pleiades have fit inside the view, I think. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yeah, yeah, all the Pleiades have fit. Which is yeah, strange. I thought they wouldn't fit with this field of view, but I guess I was wrong. I'm glad I imaged these Seven Sisters tonight, because I usually I use my Evo Guide, but the resolution is much better with this telescope. It's been 45 minutes exposure now. The Pleiades are pretty much at zenith, which means it's the highest point in the sky, which is the perfect time to image a deep sky object. Because at zenith there is not much atmosphere disturbance as there is when a target is low. It's like the planets basically. And actually I can see Jupiter right now. Jupiter is rising as well. I'm gonna pretty much pack up everything now because the dawn is coming. It's 5:45 here almost, and the sun is soon gonna come up now, so we can't keep imaging, or the image is gonna be overexposed. Thank you for joining, and I will see you next time. Cheers, guys.